This season, almost everyone is struggling with cough and cold. The weather is changing, the air feels different, and immunity goes down. But remember, when your breath is strong, your body stays protected. Take a few minutes every morning for these 2 chest opening kriyas. Open your chest, breathe deeply, expand your lungs. Let your breath build your strength from within. Because when your inner energy is powerful, no season can touch your health. Stay strong, breathe deep, stay balanced. Thank you.